Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know I've been throwing a lot of colorful and vibrant looks at you guys. So today I thought I would come at you with a very neutral look that you can wear every single day. So let me zoom you in so you can see a close-up of the look. So before we get started, make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up. It does help out my channel tremendously. If you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. And you want to make sure you hit that bell notification so that way you are notified every single time I upload. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so I did go ahead and do my base off camera. I did do a self tanner last night, so I did use my darkest foundation shade that I had, so if it looks a little mismatched, that's why. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to first go in with my favorite P. Louise base, and I'm taking this in Rumor 1, and I'm just going to squeeze out a little bit on the back of my hand and apply it to my eyes with a beauty blender. Okay, so to start the look, I'm going to jump into my James Charles palette, and I'm going to take this shade right here. You can see I hit pan on it. I think it's called Punch Me. It's just a very neutral light brown, and I'm just going to use that to kind of start my look. And I'm going to put this directly in my crease and blend slightly up. I absolutely love this shade. It is one of my favorites. As you can see, I've hit pan on it. I love starting my eye looks with a light brown like this. And for many, many years, my go-to shadow used to be Omega from MAC Cosmetics, which I'm actually going to use in this look today. I started every single look with that shade, no matter what I was doing. I just absolutely loved it. And I have to admit, I haven't used it in quite a minute. So I thought I would whip it back out and use it for this look. And for this look, I just want to keep it very natural, something that you could wear every day. I am feeling a little tired today, so I don't want to do anything too crazy. Between both our dogs going to the vet and the heat in this desert, I'm just having one of those tired days. So I just want something pretty but natural. So next up, I'm going to dip into this shade Omega. And if you guys have done your makeup for at least 10 years now, you will remember these MAC Cosmetics palettes that you put together yourself. Ooh. And mine is, like I said, 10 years old, if not older. So it's completely shredded and just absolutely disgusting and embarrassing. But this is the shade Omega from that palette. And as you can see, I hit pan on that one. But I did find a new one that hasn't been used yet. So I'm going to go ahead and use that one. And I'm going to take it on the same brush, which is just my M453 brush from Morphe. And I'm just going to place it exactly where I placed the first color and just kind of blend it up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit I'm going to take a brush that's slightly a little bit more dense, and this is the M519 brush from Morphe, and I'm just going to concentrate it a little bit more in the crease and then slightly above, but I'm not going to take it as far up as the first shade. Okay, so next up, I'm going to take my Visionary palette from Patrick Starr, and I'm going to dip into this shade Brownie, which is this darker shade. And I'm going to take that on my super fluffy Estee Lauder brush, and I'm going to concentrate this mostly in my crease. Okay, so next up for the lid color, I'm going to take my Kendall Kylie palette, and I'm going to dip into the shade Twice as Nice, which is this one right here, and it's kind of like a champagne-y pinkish white color, and it's really pretty. And I'm just going to take that on my finger and pat it onto my lid. I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Estee Lauder brush again, and it has zero product on it or whatever is left over from the last time I dipped it in the pan, and I'm just going to run that in my crease just ever so slightly just to blend the glitter shade and the brown. And because I'm going for a really natural look today, I don't think I'm going to apply any shadow under my eyes. Whatever's left on the brush, I'm just going to run it just under the outer corner of my under eye area. I don't really want pigment. I just want my eyeshadow and my concealer area just to blend nicely. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go off camera and do my liner, mascara, and lashes. And what I'm going to use for my eyeliner, so I'm going to take my Essence Extreme Lasting Waterproof Eye Pencil. And you guys know I use this every single time in my waterline. I use the black version, but I noticed that they had a nude, so I thought I would pick that up today just to give me a more awake look under the eye. And then I'm going to use, of course, my Essence Liquid Ink Eyeliner and my YSL Faux Cils Mascara, and I'm not sure what lashes, but I will let you know when I come back. Okay, so I am back. And I ended up using, I think they're the Huda number 12. They were out of the box, so I'm not sure exactly what Huda style they are, but I will link them down below if you're interested. So next up, I thought I would do highlight, and I'm going to use my Juvia's Place Volume 3 highlighter. It looks like this. It is so pretty, and I'm just going to spray my brush with my Morphe setting spray. I just love this highlighter. I think it gives you the most gorgeous glow. going to use my Patrick Ta lip liner, and it is in the shade She's Bold. The one thing I love about his lip liners is to twist it up. You actually don't twist, but you push the bottom and it will raise the product. And the eyeliner, I don't know if you can tell with my orange hands, but it is slanted. So it helps to really give you a nice clean line when you line your lips. And then for lipstick for today, I'm going to take my Dose of Colors lipstick in the shade Toast. And it looks like this. It's a little bit darker than the butterscotch one that I've used before, but I really am loving these. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back in with my Patrick Ta lip liner, and I'm just going to blend the two colors together. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to zoom you in to show you the final look. Alright, you guys, so that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye, guys.